try is number 6. Okay, in your grid book, are you ready? Set up your space. Write that it's problem number 6 and copy the equation. One digit per box, using your grid paper carefully. Good. All right, after you copy the equation, the next thing you need to do is make your box. I'm going to make my box this time a little bit wider because I'm looking and seeing a 4-digit number, so I know I'm probably going to need a little bit more space in my box. Give me a thumbs up when you're done with your box. Once you have your box drawn, the next thing you have to figure out is how many sections are you going to put in your box. Look at the larger number. How many digits do you see?
4.
4. That means our box needs 4 sections. Here's how you can divide it into 4 easily. Divide it in half, then cut each part in half again. You need 4 sections in your area model because the larger number has 4 digits. All right, we're looking good. Okay, next, take your larger number and guess what we do? Expand it. Yeah, break it apart. Use the distributive property. You know expanded form back from topic 1. How would you take 1,242 and expand it? What's the first thing you're going to write? First thing is 1,000, then 200, then 40, then 2. Each section of your expanded form goes over a different part of your area model. You can put the plus signs in. I choose not to because sometimes the extra symbols make me confused. And I want to remember that I'm multiplying right now, not adding. Okay, the other digit that we have to deal with is the 5. The 5 comes over to the side. Then comes the dance. First thing we need to do is bring it all down, then bring it all over. All right, so let's bring everything down. Take the 1,000, bring it down. You might find you kind of have to write tiny to get everything in the box. That's okay. Bring the 200 down. Bring the 40 down. Bring the 2 down. After you bring everything down, then you bring it all over. Take the 5, bring it over into every single box. And within your boxes, you just created 4 smaller multiplication equations. Now that you have those 4 equations, we're going to multiply piece by piece by piece. So use your zeros trick. Look at 1,000 times 5. What's 1 times 5?
5.
5. Stick on the 3 zeros. 1,000 times 5 is 5,000. Use your zeros trick for 200 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Stick on 2 zeros. You get 1,000. 40 times 5, use 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Stick on 1 more 0. And then 2 times 5 is 10. Now that we've multiplied, the next thing we need to do is add each of those together. Outside of your box, set up an addition equation using all of those numbers. Once you add them up, that will give you your final product for the equation. And I always like to circle my answers. pencil when I'm done. Then don't forget, once you have a final answer, where do you have to record it? Back into your math book. So then you add an equal sign back into your math book and record your final answer.